The rise of skin cycling. The 2025 routine for healthier, glowier skin. In 2025, one of the most talked about skincare trends is skin cycling, a simplified yet powerful rotation-based skincare routine that promises visible results with less product overload. Popularized by dermatologists and beauty influencers alike, this method is based on optimizing your skin's natural recovery processes by alternating products with rest periods. The trend has gained traction not only for its efficacy, but also because it's easy to follow, requires fewer products, and significantly reduces skin irritation. For podcast listeners, this topic is ideal. It's science-backed, practical, and easy to visualize with infographic-style images. Skin cycling generally follows a 4-night rotation: exfoliation, retinol, and 2 nights of recovery. On night 1, users apply a chemical exfoliant, such as an AHA or BHA, after cleansing. This step removes dead skin cells and prepares the skin for deeper absorption of active ingredients on the following night. The exfoliation phase helps brighten the skin tone and smooth out texture, while also unclogging pores and prepping the skin barrier. Many people make the mistake of over-exfoliating, which can lead to dryness and sensitivity, but skin cycling avoids this by limiting exfoliation to just once every 4 days. This controlled frequency gives your skin a break, balancing effectiveness with gentleness. Night 2 introduces retinoids, widely regarded as the gold standard in anti-aging and acne treatments. Retinoids speed up cell turnover, reduce fine lines, and even out pigmentation. However, they can also be irritating, especially for sensitive skin types. Skin cycling accommodates this by not applying retinoids daily, again, reducing the risk of inflammation or peeling. For many, this every 4-day cadence allows their skin to reap the full benefits of retinol without the harsh side effects. Dermatologists report that patients are seeing more consistent results with fewer flare-ups, a testament to the strategic pacing of this method. As of 2025, retinoid-based serums and creams have become more advanced, with formulations designed specifically for skin cycling routines. The next 2 nights, recovery nights, are all about hydration and barrier repair. These are crucial to the cycle's success and set it apart from more aggressive, non-rotational routines. Recovery nights typically feature products rich in ceramides, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides. These ingredients help restore the skin's lipid barrier, lock in moisture, and reduce inflammation. This rest period gives the skin time to recover from the active ingredients, boosting resilience and minimizing the chances of overtreatment. This phase also reinforces the importance of listening to your skin. If your skin feels extra sensitive, you can extend the recovery nights before starting the cycle again. The flexibility of this trend is what makes it sustainable and personalized. Incorporating skin cycling into your beauty routine doesn't require a 10-step regimen or expensive products. Instead, it focuses on understanding your skin's rhythms and working with them. This minimalist approach aligns perfectly with the growing health-first beauty culture in 2025, where less is more and skin health trumps temporary cosmetic fixes. The trend also encourages mindful skincare, choosing ingredients with purpose, tracking how your skin reacts, and adjusting accordingly. Podcasts are the perfect medium to explain and break down each step, while illustrations can visually reinforce the nightly routine, the key ingredients, and the skin's recovery cycle. With more people looking for sustainable, dermatologist-approved skincare, skin cycling is more than a trend. It's a long-term strategy for healthier skin.